Hello students, our today's topic is Activate Segment Reporting. By activating segment, you can achieve the profit center and segment fields are included in the asset master record. Initially, these fields are empty and consequently inconsistent. When the asset master data is being posted and maintained, the system checks whether the asset master records have been maintained consistently. It must be possible to derive the profit center and the segment uniquely from the controlling account assignment and from the asset master records. For that, we can go by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Assets Accounting, Integration with General Ledger Accounting, Segment Reporting and Activate Segment Reporting. SAP में जाकर एक्टिवेट करते हैं. Financial accounting, assets accounting, integration with general ledger accounting, segment reporting and activate segment reporting. Just execute it and tick and then save. Come back. Hello students, our today's next topic is active account assignment object. Here you make a settings for additional account assignment objects. For example, cost center, investment order during posting in assets accounting. Here we specify whether the account assignment object is relevant to the balance sheet. Account assignment objects that are relevant to the balance sheet can no longer be changed directly in the asset master record. Once the assets has been capitalized, instead such asset have to be transferred a new asset master record to make this change. Here specify whether the account assignment object you enter when posting has to agree with the account assignment object entered in the asset master record. If you set this indicator, you cannot change the account assignment object when posting. For activating account assignment object, we can go by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Assets Accounting, Integration with General Ledger Accounting, Additional Account Assignment Object and Activate Account Assignment Objects. SAP में जाकर एक्टिवेट करते हैं. Financial Accounting, Assets Accounting, Integration with General Ledger Accounting, Additional Account Assignment Object and Activate Account Assignment Objects. Just execute it. And check इंटरनल ऑर्डर, कॉस्ट सेंटर, प्रॉफिट सेंटर एक्टिव है या नहीं है. यहाँ पर हमारा देखो इंटरनल ऑर्डर, इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑर्डर, फंक्शनल एरिया, देन ग्रांट, देन मेंटेनेंस ऑर्डर, कॉस्ट सेंटर, एक्टिविटी टाइप, प्रॉफिट सेंटर and WBS element of investment, and lastly the segment. All are activated. And remove the tick from account assignment when posting as per master record. Now click on save button, click on create request and enter your descriptions. Activate account assignment object. Just click on save button and then click on continue button. Now come back.